Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to replace a product on Amazon. If you have received a damaged item, wrong product or something that isn't working properly, Amazon makes the replacement process very simple. So here is how you can do it. First of all, you need to open your Amazon application on your phone. You can also follow the same steps via Amazon's official website. So over here, tap on the U option in the bottom. Now here, click on the option of orders on the top. Now it is going to show you all of the orders that you have placed. So among the given orders, you just have to simply select that particular order which you want to replace. Now, when you are inside the purchase history of the product, among the given options, you are going to see the option of return and replace this item. So since I purchased this product a few days back, the replace and the return option is not available now, because when you purchase a product, the return or the replacement option is available only for the next 10 days depending on the product. So here, when you see the replace and the return option, you just have to simply tap on that. After that, Amazon is going to ask you to select a reason. So choose the option that best matches to your issue, such as the item was defective, or you have received the wrong item, or the item was damaged. After selecting the reason, you just have to basically submit your replacement request. Your replacement request will also be shown over here on this page. So you just have to wait for some time until they confirm this request. So keep in mind that replacements are only available for the eligible products within the return window. So this is how you can basically replace a product on Amazon. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.